Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here in Hobby Lobby. It looks like they have all of their Easter items all 40% off. So we're not going to stay in this section too long, guys. We're going to walk around and see what else we can find. All right, so on this back wall here, it looks like they have all of their different color baskets. Those are really nice. I really like those. Different colors. Let's see, they have a lot of toys now in this section here. A lot of outdoor items for your garden if you're planting flowers. This spring they have a lot of items. All items are 40% off. Everything on this little end cap right here is all based on the beach. They have the ocean, they have the mermaids. Always be yourself unless you can be a mermaid, then be a mermaid. All of these items right here are 50% off. That sign there says believe. This is pretty, $6.99 for that. Mermaids welcome and the mermaid crossing, cute. Gonna come around on this side over here. More beach theme items. Oh, this is pretty right here. I love this picture. Just a lot of items, guys. If you're planning on decorating your beach home or just your home in general, they have a lot of these items. More beach theme items. Very nice. It says ride the waves. Let's take a look and see what's on this side over here. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. 50% off. Very nice. Very colorful. $24.99 for that picture. They have these lamps here. Those are really nice. Oh, look at him or her. I'm going to say him, and I'm going to say this is her. That's really cute. $24.99 for that. All right, so I'm loving all of the spring shop collections. They have those pretty linens up there, liners, table runners. Those are $17.99. Well, some of them are $17.99. This one here, this one is $25.99. They have the ones with the butterflies. Those are pretty. Then they have their melamine cups here. You get a total of 6. And these are going for $13.99. They have different ones. They have their drink dispensers. These are $30. Look at the colors. And I love the little cups here. These are $19.99. You get 4. All right, so they also have the plates to match, the melamine plates. These are going for $6.99. Real pretty ones. Look at that one. This is actually ceramic. This one is $5.99. All of the smaller cups down here with the peach on the inside. These are going for $7.99. Real pretty colors here. Look at these glasses. And these are actually glass. These are going for $7.99. They have different colors. I'm loving these table runners right here with the little ruffles on the end, if you guys can see those. This little teapot and coffee set, little coffee mug set. I'm not sure the price of that. If you're into flowers and things like that for spring, guys, they have a lot of these. They have a lot of dishcloths up there for $6.99. Let's see, you get 2. Actually, you get 1, but I'm loving this one right here. These are cute. Basically, they have all of these items every year. It looks like they've added some more new items, but pretty much we see these items every year during the spring. Real pretty colors, guys. The fox. They have the gnomes. Of course, they're everywhere. Those gnome drying mats are $8.99. Oh, how cute are these right here? These are going for $5.99. They have all of their little mushrooms. These are $4.99. They're little tea pots. They have different color ones, and they have the little small mugs as well, little teacups. All right, so they have a lot of their outdoor items, guys. If you're planning on decorating your yard or your beach or your pool area, they have a lot of these items here. Look at the watermelons or planters. You can plant plants in these. Oh, these are nice. So you can actually plant. I'm saying for decoration, but these are actually planters. The queen. They have the galvanized pails here. You are my sunshine. Look at the campers. Those are cute. A little ice cream camper. These are $34.99. All right, so look at the different color coolers they have. They're polar boxes, and they come in different colors. Look at those. And these are actually coolers, and these are going for $120. Real pretty ones. They're small, but you know, a 6-pack of beer or whatever you want to put in these. These are really nice. So it looks like they put a lot of their items like bath salts and candles. A lot of these items are 40% off, guys. They have a lot of the soothing facial mask up here. Different ones, if you guys can see those. They have hand mask, foot mask. They have lip mask and eye mask. I need to get some of these right here. $6.99 for these. They have rollers. They have loofahs. All of these items right here, guys, will be a great spa experience. And let's see here. They also have some brightening and vitamin C serum here. These are $15.99. And let's see, Spa Life. So that's the name of these particular serums right here. They also have some salt body scrubs here. Almond. I see exfoliating body scrubs. These are going for, let's see, $8.99. They have all of their hand soaps down here, foaming hand soaps. Here is an almond milk and honey. I love the smell of almond milk and honey together. These are going for $12. Down here they have some of their bottles, their spray bottles, $4.99 for those. They come in white and that brown. Also the larger ones down here where you can put different items in, different hand soaps or whatever you want to put in these. All right, it looks like they have some nice outdoor pillows or indoor pillows. All of these items are going for 40% off. This says sun, sand, and sea. Real pretty ones, guys. Grow free wildflowers. All of these pillows range in between $21.99 to $24.99. Real pretty ones. This one says Welcome Gnome, $24.99. Happiness blooms from within. And they have all of their doormats down here at the bottom, the floor mats. But back to the pillows. This one has a whale on the front. And like I said, all of these are 40% off. More pillows, guys, 40% off. The bees, $24.99. They also have the smaller ones here.
It's just a box of my clothes. It should be right there to the right.
Front porch sitting. They have the small and the large ones. Here's one that says Southern Sweet Tea, and it gives you the directions of how to make it. Look at the ones with the happy faces. Those are $19.99. And I'm loving all of their doormats, floor mats down here. Real pretty ones. They also have a camper pillow as well. If you're into the camper life, they have those. And how cute are all of the little bobblehead items right here. They have the bees, the frogs, the ladybugs, the little mosquitoes in pink. They have the cats, the red birds, the pigs, of course, and all of these little items right here. Look at the little cute bumblebee. And all of these are $21.99. All right, more items on this end cap, which I really love. They have this here, relax. These items will go great in your bathroom, or maybe in a little area where you just want to relax. Look at the keys. $14.99 for those. This says Seek Peace. $16.99. And more of their faux plants here at the bottom. And these beautiful signs right here that says Love the Journey. Alright guys, I just wanted to pop into Hobby Lobby to see what items they had to offer us today. Everything was so nice and clean in this store. I haven't been in this store before, but they had some real nice items. I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. They have some nice soap dispensers.